American telling Jamaican there's no food in the house.
No. Are you telling me that there's no food in the house, Stephanie? Yeah. So we need to go shopping, right? Yeah. All right, hold on. Let me just make sure, verify this. There's no food in the house. Let's go. There is no fucking pussy bomber rascal food in the house. There is no food in the house. There is no... What? What? There is no... no Jamaican bread to bomber clot. Food, meat, blood clot, ice cream. There's no food for breakfast. Hold on. Bread. A box of blood clot, bomber rascal, carrot. No food for breakfast. Move your pussy up and can't cook. Watch ya. No food. No food for breakfast. No food for breakfast. The American blood clot way. See there? See American breakfast there. And this them blood clot name. See it out this them pussy clot name. Pancake. Bomber rascal.